Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be doing something rather different. I've been watching some amazing spray painting videos on YouTube, which have inspired me to incorporate some spray painting into today's piece. I'm going to be creating a planet using the reverse dip technique, which is where you add acrylic paint to the canvas and then you lay something like a piece of plastic on top of it and then lift that up to create the outcome. I definitely recommend rather spreading the paint over the entire canvas instead of just a section like I did, because once you add the spray paint, you can actually see where the acrylic paint starts and stops. So not the best look ever, but I'll know for next time. This is a piece of the plastic that the canvas came packaged in. I'm just laying it down and gently pressing it onto the paint. And now we just lift it off. Now that the painting is dry, we're ready for the spray paint. I'm using Rust-Oleum Gloss Black to shade this side of the planet and create sort of that part that's in the shadow. And I'm using Rust-Oleum Gloss White for the side of the planet that's closest to the light source to lighten that side up. Given the look I was originally going for, which was to have a bright red colored planet, I accidentally ended up getting way too much spray paint over most of the planet. So next time I'll definitely try to get less spray paint on the planet itself. Next, we put something round over the planet. This lid just happens to be the biggest thing I could find in the house. And then we spray the background black. I'm just covering the canvas in a light mist, holding the can probably between 1 and 2 feet away from the canvas. Remember to work in a really well ventilated area or outside like I am when you are using spray paint. Now for the stars, I dipped the large paintbrush into some white paint and now I'm just tapping it against another paintbrush to get that paint to flick off and land on the canvas. And now it's time to see how it turned out. So as I've already mentioned, there are definitely a few things I'd do differently next time, but for a first try, I'm quite happy with it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks again for joining me today. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.